What's up, Aaron?
Yeah, so far in Florida, we've seen roughly 50,000 insurance claims filed already, and that's totaling more than $500 million in estimated losses. Both those numbers expected to rise in the coming days. And if you are planning on filing a claim, it's recommended you do that ASAP. Now, here's 3 things you need to keep in mind during this process. First, photograph and videotape as much as possible. That includes water lines in the home, waterlogged furniture, flooring, anything that was damaged. Next, most policies will also require you clean, get the water out and debris out to mitigate additional damage and prevent things like mold. That may require you putting a lot of stuff on the curb after you document it, but also save things like pieces of drywall or flooring. An adjuster might want to look at that in person. Third, phone calls aren't good enough of a record. Make sure you have written communication with your adjuster as well.
You want to be able to prove up that you have met their obligations. You provided them with all inventories, all photographs, and make sure that again, you're giving them what they need and more to get coverage under a policy. So make sure those are in writing. Email's fine, text is fine. I was looking at it hard to go ahead and do things on a computer, but email is a good form for that.
And another tip, if an adjuster comes to your home, make sure it's one that works for your insurance company and not a public adjuster who will charge an additional fee.
And Aaron, it's important to keep in mind that a lot of the claims that we're going to see here are for flood damage, those flood policies, not for homeowners insurance.
Yeah, when we talk about most of the damage we've seen here in the Tampa Bay area, a lot of that was storm surge related flooding. So you're going to want to file that claim with your flood insurance company, not your property insurance company.